This video provides information on the transaction history page, content, and navigation when Payee Positive Pay is enabled. Click on Transaction History. A list of current-day transactions are displayed. The last 4 digits of the account number, the check serial or draft number, the dollar amount, current status, and date is displayed. If entitled to Change Transaction Status, a column titled Change Status is displayed with active action buttons when a transaction is eligible to be managed. To change the date range, select the down arrow symbol next to the date. Make a selection or enter a custom date range and click Apply. To filter the information, select the arrow button on the far right of the bar titled Filters. The Filter section will expand where values can be entered or selected. Transactions can be filtered by check serial number, account, minimum or maximum amount, exceptions, and transaction status. When the desired value is entered or selected, click Apply. To clear a selection, click Reset. More details of the transaction can be viewed by clicking the arrow to the left of the transaction information. The drop-down contains additional information regarding the transaction, such as the issuance payee name, issuance serial number, issuance amount, and the original serial number and amount captured on the check when it was presented for payment, the date the item was presented for payment, the exception reason, notification information, and whether or not your financial institution performed a review and cleanup of exception items before presentment to your organization. When Payee Positive Pay is enabled and there is an exception due to payee name mismatch, the additional detail displays the issuance payee name and the exception reason as check presented where payee name differs from issue payee name. The on-screen information can also be downloaded to a CSV file and will display the same information as provided on the screen.